Tutorial for computer networks. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for who want to crack the GATE, UGC and university, some of the college level exam also, and who want to learn the computer network concept properly. So today we are going to see the topic called single bit parity along with Hamming distance concept. The previous session I explained about the introduction to error correction and error detection, where we discuss about the checksum, parity, CRC and so on, just over idea. Because the upcoming session we are going to see every topic briefly. Let's cover session today. Please kindly check the playlist whenever doubt and have a continuation, and you want to add continuations here. So here single bit parity, you know idea. Here single bit parity we can find with the help of m plus 1 bits. And here even parity means what? Even parity means the number of ones should be even. Number of ones should be even. Then for example, I am sending the data 1010. I have data called 1010 means what? The result will be 0. Similarly, I have data word code word 1110. The output here 1 only. Moreover, this single bit parity also helpful to can detect single bit errors in the code word. Single bit errors, any single bit errors in the receive. And remember, and here example, let's say here I have this is sender. I am sender having the code 1101. The receiver receiving 00101. That means the first two bits are changed here. One sending but 0 is here. Again one sending, here 0 will be the receiver. So like that will be there. So like that error will be there. You know why error occurring? Whenever do the data transmission, automatically error will be there. Whenever the error occurs, we have to solve. We have to rectify with the help of Hamming code or any mechanism. So here let's say the example here we have one table. I have a partial table. You can understand this is where you have inputs with the code with the inputs of even parity. That means suppose your code word 0000, the parity will be even parity with 0, and similarly if the code word is 00001, it should be 1. Here given parity is 1, and similarly 0010 means here 1 I highlight in different color, and here also 0011 means the even parity should be 0, and 0100 means even parity is 1, and similarly 0110 means the parity is 0. At last 0110 means 0. Still more is there. We can check in the free time, like that will be there. Let's go for solve the Hamming distance. So before going Hamming distance, we have to remember whenever Hamming distance we have to think about the XOR operation, because we are applying. So XOR operation, what is the concept? Whenever same inputs, the output will be 0. Whenever different inputs, the output will be 1. 0 1 or 1 0, output will be 1. If it are 0 0 or 1 1 means output will be 0. Remember XOR operation means what? Whenever outputs are same, it should be 0. Or sorry, whenever the inputs are same, output will be 0. Whenever the inputs are different, the output will be 1. Hamming distance you can calculate. Let's say there are two examples, you will get idea. And what is Hamming distance? Hamming distance is nothing but it's a Hamming distance is the one which used to find the mismatches occurred in the two strings. And also the condition is 2 should be equal. Here 4 strings will be there, 4 strings will be there. Remember 2 strings is there. If you want to find the mismatches, we can go for the Hamming distance. How many and also it should be in the same position. Here this is the first position. So here first position, second position, third position, fourth position. Hamming distance what? It's a one. Find the mismatches occurred in the two strings. The string should be in the same position. That means second, or third, or 4 and 4th position, like that. And we have to find the number of ones in the result. So here. And what is the result in Hamming? Suppose I am taking the two code word 00011 means the result is what? 01 means 1, and 01 means 1, and 01 means 1, 01 means 1. Just now I told you based on the XOR operation only. And I am taking another example, that is 0101. I am applying another one 1000. The output is same So easy. Okay, so if the inputs are same, the output will be 0 only, otherwise 1. So 0 1 become 1, and 1 0 become 1, and 0 0 become 1, and 1 0 here, 1 0 1, like that. So what is the Hamming distance here? That is 3. Number of ones in the result. So 1 1 1 3 is there. So like that you can find the number of ones. Here the Hamming distance is 4. Totally 4 ones will be there, because in the competitive exam they ask Hamming distance. So remember, Hamming distance what? Find the mismatches in the two given strings. The condition is two strings, any strings, either it be 4 bits or 8 bits, two should be in the same position. Moreover, you can find it with one more formula called and moreover, any Hamming distance, minimum Hamming distance is 2 for any one, and here the formula you can apply d minus 1 bits. If you want to exactly find the Hamming distance, you can find the d minus 1 bits. So these are about the error detection and error correction. So Hamming distance also useful for finding the error detection and error correction. Remaining is in the upcoming session. So any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.